Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect WhatsApp to Meta Business Suite. So yeah guys, with that being said, let's get started with today's video. So if you're on a computer, you just have to open up Meta Business Suite and navigate to Inbox, then click on the WhatsApp tab, click Get Started, follow the instructions to create your WhatsApp new business account and profile, and then to send messages, enter the contacts WhatsApp phone number, and yeah, that's about it on a computer. On a mobile device, you have to open up the Business Suite app and proceed to Inbox. Use the filter to choose WhatsApp from the list. Tap Get Started. Complete the setup for your new WhatsApp business account and profile. To message someone, input the contact's WhatsApp app number. To use the existing WhatsApp phone number to set up a new account, back up your WhatsApp, download WhatsApp business app, agree to terms and conditions, transfer and grant access, set up a WhatsApp business account, create a business profile, export chat history, save your contacts, delete your existing account, create a new account in the inbox like stated above. And yeah, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful guys, then thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.